I had a lot of fun using the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The best thing about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is, of course, the tablet-sized internal screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 4's 7.6-inch display allowed me to leave my iPad at home on a recent flight and watch Netflix on a larger screen with just the phone. Other tasks that the Z Fold 4's large screen will come in handy for include browsing online restaurant menus, video, chatting, and reading news articles. The idea of having a phone that doubles as a tablet is nothing new to early adopters and tech enthusiasts. But it's still a new concept to the rest of us. When I showed the Galaxy Z Fold 4 to my iPad using Mom, she was impressed. I've never seen him so excited about any tech gadget he brings home for review in the last 10 years. Friends who were curious, excited, and skeptical reacted similarly. A friend said she thought she took her Kindle to dinner when she opened the Z Fold to view the restaurant menu on a larger screen. Here's what we've learned over the past few weeks using the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Currently, the ability to view apps on a tablet-sized screen is the biggest feature. I'm more interested in using the app in split-screen mode and using the whole screen for a single purpose. I noticed that I never use Flex Mode, Samsung's feature that splits the software between the top and bottom of the screen when the screen is folded in half. I was going to try it, but of course I didn't use it. In addition to the large screen, we were impressed with the Galaxy Z Fold 4's speakers. I often play music on my phone while cleaning or getting ready for the day, and the Z Fold 4 was able to fill my bedroom with sound much more easily than my usual small phone. This is another feature that makes the Galaxy Z Fold 4 a great entertainment device. The Galaxy Z Fold 4's battery life is good, but nothing too exciting. With regular use, you can easily get through a day on a single charge. But when you're traveling, you need a fast charger to get directions on your phone, stream Netflix on a plane, and call multiple Ubers and Lyfts to get around. Like the Galaxy S23, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. Both phones have 3x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. I didn't compare it completely, but I knew the Galaxy S23 image contradicted in the shade. The image is slightly better than folding. Due to the updated editing on this back, this can be a new S23 project optimized for Samsung Galaxy. In comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 runs on a previous generation Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 device. However, both phones excelled at taking low-light photos, as you can see in the cat photos below. Those interested in a phone like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 won't worry too much about the camera, with the screen being the star of the show. But if you're spending money on an expensive phone, you should also have a nice camera. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 ticks that box. But remember that Samsung usually has the best cameras for Galaxy S devices. I wasn't happy using the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 gets enough credit to show that it has potential for a device that can serve as both a phone and a tablet. However, there are some downsides to making it as useful and enjoyable as possible. Most of them have to do with design and software. The folding of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is still visible, even though it is the 4th generation. If the rumors spread by the LEC, ET News and the popular ICE universe are true, Samsung could solve this problem with a new type of hinge for the successor Galaxy Z Fold 4. The outer screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 looks more natural than its predecessor due to its slightly wider design. However, there are cases where you still see a square aspect ratio. For example, when taking photos, the cover screen has a smaller viewfinder than a regular phone. The phone itself is also 263 grams of Galaxy S23 Ultra and 263 grams compared to the Galaxy S23 Plus.